Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to get Toolbox badge in Sololearn. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. The Toolbox badge in Sololearn is earned by unlocking 10 coding tools within the app. So the steps to get the tool badge is open up your Sololearn app or simply head over to the Sololearn.com site. Then once you are here, what you need to do is complete the lessons that include coding tools. These are interactive features like the code playground or syntax highlight tools or code execution features. Then unlock 10 different tools by exploring various program courses. Once you've used 10 coding tools, you'll automatically receive the tool badge. Focus on multiple programming languages, each may have unique tools, and try hands-on coding exercises in Sololearn's code playground. Look for interactive lessons that introduce coding feature as well. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.